Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Hanukkah's coming up this week, and so today we're going to make some coconut macaroons. They are simple to make, only a few ingredients, and I'm going to show you what goes into it. Let's get to it. Need 4 egg whites and a pinch of salt, a little almond extract and vanilla extract. I think it's like a half teaspoon of almond extract, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 cups of coconut flake. Now we are going to add the egg whites and a little bit of salt and the extracts. And then I'm just going to use a hand mixer, and we're going to beat this about 2 to 3 minutes until it's thick and frothy. And there we go. And you can see how nice and thick and foamy and frothy that is. And all I'm going to do now is fold in the coconut. I'm going to get this combined well, and then we're going to form it into little balls onto a baking sheet, parchment lined, or in my case I'm using a silicone baking mat, which I like a lot. But get this broken up good. Get this combined good. Here we go. I think that's all combined. And we'll work on putting it on the mats. And they're ready to go, and I'm going to put them into a preheated 350-degree-Fahrenheit oven for roughly 20 to 25 minutes, or until they turn a nice golden brown. And they're out. So my coconut macaroons are out of the oven. If you're wondering where these came from and how they actually ended up being used primarily for Passover, but I love them anytime because they're really good. Around the 8th or 9th century, they were supposedly developed by an Italian monk in a monastery, and Italian Jews adopted them because they require no flour or leavening agent. The beaten egg whites act as the leavening agent. So that's how they got adopted for Jewish holidays, especially Passover, because you can't have any leavening. But I like them anytime. So you know what comes next? The taste test. Oh my God. So good. They're so simple. So simple. 20-25 minutes. And you've got these little morsels of coconutty goodness. So good. So besides being addictive, you now also know where coconut macaroons come from. Like I said, super simple. Whips them up. Hanukkah's coming up this week, and they'll think you slaved all day. And it's funny because when I was young, I wasn't into coconut, but it's like the older I've gotten, the more I really like it and enjoy it. So these like really hit the spot along with that coconut cake that I make. So there you go. Things change. So if I don't have a video out earlier, to my Jewish friends, Happy Hanukkah.